Morning, everybody. So this is how my morning going. This car here came back late yesterday evening. As soon as it came back, got booked immediately. Doing my post-trip inspection, I seen that the maintenance light was on, so it needs an oil change. Customer had been smoking in it. Couldn't prove it though. He didn't leave any ashes. And so this morning, I scheduled an oil change for early this morning, to come out early this morning to go get the oil change. Once I got in the car, warmed it up, went to pull off, I seen that the tire pressure light is on also now. And then I hear a tire. You know how you driving on a flat tire? I'm like, crap. I get out and look, and lo and behold, flat tire. Which tell me is he had a flat tire before he brought this car back. He went and put air in it and brought it back to me. But that's how customer treats your vehicle. So I sent him a message. So this is the type of stuff you can't plan for. These are the expenses you can't plan for. $100 for the oil change. And hopefully I don't need a tire because as you can tell, it been drove on. Hopefully I can just get that plug, but worst case scenario, another $100 for the tire, which pretty much kills the trip later today that the vehicle got booked. On top of that, I got other appointments and other stuff to do. So my schedule is gonna be real tight today. So now I gotta take this tire off and take it, see can I get it plugged, come back, clean the vehicle, try to get the smoke smell out. So let's see how I go. No matter how my day going, I try to smile.
You ain't gonna worry about it.
Never change. We use this before.
You ain't gonna worry about it. Shawty ain't worth it. Stay with it, crease like a foe. You can tell I get some money. I don't know what they be on. They always worry about something. Stay in the cut in my zone. Shawty ain't worried about nothing. You nigga worry about it home. Shawty ain't worth it. Stay with the crease like a foe. You can tell I get some money. I don't know what they be on. They always worry about something. Stay in the cut in my zone. Shawty ain't worried about nothing. Boy, I'm a pimp, you a peon. Checking these niggas like Dion. In the cut shining like neons. Cool like my heart pumping free on. Hey, serve her bitch like a narcotic. She like you leaving no option. She on the fuck with the realest. And you and your niggas be lying. She asked if I'm back, I'm like, yeah. Kicking my shit like a punk. I got your bitch with my hand on the head. The other one snatch on the frontal. Little bit, I can buy you more bundles. I stuff her and fuck off her lashes. I dump her and duck off from smashing. You swear that you love her, we laughing. How about you go get a bag with your bum ass? Stepping on niggas, no more ass. Look out, been getting money. Still on some hungry, I gotta get more cash. Love first to death with my toe tag. Hating on me, use a dummy. I'ma just mix up the sauce with the flavor. She shot such a new baby mama. You ain't gon' worry about it home. Shawty ain't worth it. Stay with it, crease like a foe. You can tell I get some money. I don't know what they be on. They always worry about something. Stay in the cut in my zone. Shawty ain't worried about nothing.
Arrived at my favorite spot, Discount Tire. Hopefully this thing can be plugged so I don't have to spend $100. You know I hate to put this tire in my Camaro like that. Gotta do though. Okay, so I looked up, was able to get it patched for free. Shout out to Discount Tire. That's why they get all my business when I do need to buy tires or something. Also bought a set of rims from them. But let's get this bad boy put on so I can go get it cleaned. Gotta pump it up some more.
Zone like a EA. Idle, like idle. Remember your bed like a zone like a stay in my zone like an EA idol. Slamming your bitch like a Cadillac Cattle. Only for thick women, baddies and models. They pray by they bitches, I just cannot follow. Stay with the crease like a 4-man, no dripping. Stay with the crease in the back when I kick it. Stay with a piece of me, swear every piece of me. Squeezing it peacefully, it's shorty tripping. These niggas be sucker busters, who you getting? Ain't trip about nothing, cause I'm counting digits. Worry about who knives or you tripping. Don't worry about mine, minding my own business. Gotta do that talking, boy, I'd rather listen. Cause niggas be really talking more than bitches. But when they beat us, twisted like a sister. Cause y'all be bouncing, bopping through the city. How'd you pippin', catch your feelings? These niggas be tender dickin', I don't get it. Look, buddy be cuffin', shawty, but she trickin'. He checkin' and trustin', shawty, man, he trippin'. I stay in my bed by my dolo. Don't give a fuck about what they on. Fuck is you talking, boy, get out your feelings. See y'all on this Drake and this Neo. I got too much drip to be seen, too much drip to be clean. Yeah, stay on top of my P's, crossing all of my T's. Yeah, always ride with that pole. Nowadays you don't know. Yeah, never play it too close. Niggas turn on they bros. But never ever wanna mind. My niggas be checking suckers out of line. My hitters got hitters and they hitters. I get you together if I ain't got the time. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I fuck on your bitch, make you feel it. Do what I does about mine. Need every buck, every penny. Young nigga dodging the sentence. I do not snitch on my mama. If I get caught, I'ma take it. There's no life without honor. You not a plug, you a runner. Stop out that cap and we get it. Most of these niggas be scary as hell. Walk around acting like women. Take a chill pill, simmer down. Here's a Kit Kat, have a break. What I'm smoking.
Finally got that done. Let me show you something. You can see that he hit something. See that little indentation in the rim? But it's gonna have to work for now. I had to come to Express Oil Change. I might start using them permanently going forward. They do a pretty good job, pretty thorough. Cost me $110 for the oil change. I'm used to paying around about that amount. They're fast and thorough. So hey, let's go get a wash. Okay, about to wash this bad boy up. But somebody asked me what I use to clean my car. This is my go-to. Been using this even before Turo. Gives it a nice shine as well as a good wash, all in one. Rinse, and of course you gotta have the microfiber towels to dry it off. Get that pop look. Microfiber washing glove. Tire shine. You know, when those tires on point, just adds to the vehicle. Non-bleach wipes to do the inside between trips. Gotta have the Febreze on point. Disinfectant, just in case you need the hand shine something. Got a little turtle wax. Son of a gun, I always hit this with on the inside with this after every trip. This right here is a hack. These two, say like somebody bump up against your car and leave a little paint on your car. That has to be a whole nother video, but you can use these along with a little wax to get rid of it. Outside of that, air fresheners, like when it's real bad, got this Ozium. It work on everything but marijuana. But for the most part, that's what we get. So now let's wash this car. Well, we all ready to go. Got a clean pre-trip photos done. Tire fix. Started off rocky. Persistent pays off though. Should be picking it up in 30 minutes. I am having a hell of a month, by the way. I'm on pace to break my record by at least 1,000 or so.